Welcome back to Passionate About Tech. If you have ever felt the absolute crushing frustration of needing a Windows-only app while staring at your beautiful MacBook, today is your lucky day. Parallels Desktop 26, the newest release, is a total game changer for anyone who owns a Mac. In this video, I will show you exactly how to download and install Windows 11 with just one click, how to optimize your virtual machine for peak performance, and how to use the incredible Coherence Mode to run Windows and Mac apps side by side. Let's dive in. First things first, head over to the Parallels website, using my link below to get your copy and activate that massive discount. While there is a standard edition, if you are a power user, developer, or gamer, you absolutely need to go with the Pro Edition. It is the version I personally use because it unlocks the full potential of your Mac's hardware. We are talking about allocating up to 32 virtual CPUs and an incredible 128 gigabytes of RAM per virtual machine. Once you have grabbed your Pro license and downloaded the installer, just go to your Downloads folder and double-click Install parallelsdesktop.dmg. Now, double-click that big install icon in the window that pops up. macOS will ask if you are sure you want to open it. Just click Open. Type in your Mac's administrator password and the software will start initializing. You will see a progress bar. Just let it do its thing for a moment. Now, this is where the magic happens. Once Parallels is open, a window will pop up offering to download and install Windows 11. You do not need to go searching for random ISO files on the internet. Just click on Get Windows 11 from Microsoft and then press Continue. On the next screen, click Install Windows. Parallels will start downloading the latest version of Windows 11 directly from Microsoft's servers. This part depends on your internet speed, so it is the perfect time to grab a coffee. Once the download finishes, you will see a message saying Validating, and then Windows will begin its automated setup. It might restart a couple of times. Do not interrupt it. Almost there. Once the installation completes, you will see a big green check mark. Just click to continue. A Windows licensing agreement window will appear. Make sure to read it if you are into that kind of thing, and click Accept. Boom! You are now looking at a full Windows 11 Pro desktop running right on your Mac. Parallels automatically installs something called Parallels Tools in the background. These are vital because they enable features like the shared clipboard, shared folders, and dynamic resolution changes between your Mac and your virtual system. Now, if you want that screaming fast performance, we need to do some quick optimizations. First, shut down Windows by clicking the Start menu and selecting Shut Down. Now, click the Parallels icon in your Mac's menu bar and go to Control Center. Click the little gear icon to open the configuration settings. Under the General tab, you can actually select predefined profiles like Productivity, Software Development, or Gaming to automatically tune the system for your specific needs. Now, head over to the Hardware tab. While the Standard Edition is great, the Pro Edition lets you manually allocate up to 32 virtual CPUs and 128 gigabytes of RAM. You can even go into the hard drive settings under Advanced to expand your virtual disk space if you are running low on storage. This keeps both macOS and Windows running like a dream. One of the coolest things about this setup is the seamless integration between your files. You can actually access your local Mac files directly within Windows and vice versa. For example, you can download a file on your Mac and open it instantly inside your Windows virtual machine without any annoying file transfers. It feels completely native. If you need more software, just head to the Microsoft Store to grab any official Windows applications or your favorite PC games. Everything from professional productivity suites to massive gaming libraries is right at your fingertips, and it all runs with incredible stability since Parallels is officially authorized by Microsoft. The real showstopper here is how you view your system. You can run Windows in full screen mode to completely immerse yourself in that environment, or use the famous Coherence Mode. If you click the blue Parallels icon and select Enter Coherence, the entire Windows desktop disappears. Now, your Windows apps live right on your Mac desktop and in your dock, just like native macOS apps. It is seriously like having two computers in one. So, how much does this cost? Parallels is currently offering the standard edition for home use at $54.99 per year. The Pro Edition, which I recommend for developers and power users, is $65.99. But wait, if you use my link in the description right now, you can snag an exclusive discount to save some serious money. And for my students out there, make sure to check out the Evergreen Student Edition for up to 50% off depending on your location. Every purchase through my link helps support the channel and keeps these tutorials coming. There has never been a better time to bridge the gap between Mac and Windows. Huge thanks to Parallels for collaborating with me on this video. If this tutorial helped you get Windows running on your Mac, please smash that like button, subscribe to Passionate About Tech, and drop a comment letting me know which Windows app you are most excited to use. See you in the next one!